Hi guys! Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing with me. Today we have the loots from Shopee, and this video will be split into two parts because the rest of the items has not arrived yet, but I'm really excited to be unboxing. Let's go! And what's this? Sha-la-la-la-la! Okay, funny story to this, right? I actually bought this for Christmas last year, and look how long it took to come. And it's not really useful anymore now. I actually wanted to put it in a balloon because I have like a snowman item, and then it will look very pretty inside the translucent balloon. A pleasant surprise. And raw. This is my Epsom sauce. This is my Epsom sauce. So I bought this sauce because I want to use it for like my foot bath. And you will see this in my future video about like self-care. Yeah, because dancers don't really have very nice feet, so self-care is important, you know. Now another belated Christmas item. So these are cute reindeer socks I bought for my dancers for the Christmas showcase because I want us to be in matching Christmas socks. Also as a small Christmas gift for them. But it only came now. It's gonna be Chinese New Year already. Maybe they can rewear for this year's Christmas item. It's something dancers used to, or rather athletes. And it's been my favorite color. This looks like the thing where the cavemen hold and then they... Currently my body is like super noir because I'm not in the training season, but when it comes to the training season, I think this will be very helpful. Like on it, you roll it out. Mini money anymore. STOP, stop by stop. Full stop! Yay! The smaller one first. Wow, heavy. How should I do this? As you can see, I'm using my very reliable, cute little scissors. Cut back. You know what's this? Massage balls. Do I need to take everything out? Basically, I've ordered like so many massage balls in various colors. There's black, pink, purple, blue for my students. Okay, yeah, that's also part of the reason why I had to do this video earlier, because I'm going to be gifting them this today as it's their last class. So this is way more convenient. I have one. I'm going to show you. So without unpacking it, just have to find the point that hurts and then you rub it. Okay, and then last but not least, please don't drop, is this huge box. You can see where it is going, right? It's the problem with aging, guys. You need to buy more items to look after yourself. Himalayan rock salt. Like, what's with the box? Do you not have any smaller boxes? Unboxing part 2. Back with more buys from Shopee, and let's get started. I'm gonna start with this because the packaging is already torn. Recently I'm very into like scrunchies, so I guess a lot of the parcels inside would have scrunchies. This is very cute, it's rainbow, and there's this netting above it. Oh no. Okay, these are not scrunchies, these are capes. As you would have already been able to guess, my favorite color is pink. And I bought this because humans use these. Because they are like bandage capes. So, you know, I have trick, right? So I'm finding a way to like physically restrict my fingers to prevent myself from pulling. So I think this would be helpful, at the same time aesthetic, you know, I wouldn't feel like it's so ugly and I wouldn't want to use it. So I'm giving it a try. Oh yeah. I bought a lot of tattoo stickers. Recently I'm in a tattoo mood again. Like I really feel like getting ink. So I think last time when I first did my few tattoos, right, this type of things weren't that widely available. So now they really have all sorts of designs going around. So I think it's very good to experiment with maybe the placing, the positions of where you want before getting the actual tattoo. You know, sometimes like big tattoos can be very intimidating. So this is not exactly very big, but it's a good way to try. 这个是什么来的？ Oh, it's a yepo scrunchie. It's so pretty. So you can do like, my hair is very short. I love buying like hair accessories. I guess it's a way to motivate myself to grow my hair out. Girl, what if I tie both of them together, girl? You know what I mean? Can't really see. Alright, there's still more. Let's speed up a little bit. Speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up. Is this? Oh, it's a jewelry. It's very cute. They even have like heart-shaped poppets. I mean not poppets, heart-shaped bubble wraps. More sticker. Oh wow. Okay, this is really small. So I was trying to get like a classic small golden earring, but it turns out really small, like really small. I'm not even sure if my ear lobe can fit into this. Gonna try it later. We are getting there, we are getting there. This is a big parcel. Oh yeah. You know, I'm all about colorful. I'm all about colorful stuff, and this is so cute. And I saw this colorful bag and I just knew I had to get it. I've been wanting to get it for a long time. Like this is an item that I've been cutting in, cutting out, and finally it's cutted out. More scrunchies. Oh my. What? I know what's this. Dun dun! I made it work! Okay, I love this. I love this. I love you! What is this? What is this? Okay, this is like this. Ooh. I forgot how to. I have no idea how to use this, but I guess you just have to put your hair. The wire is kind of like bendable, so something like that, I guess. Okay, I'll go and experiment it, but anyway, the bend is huge, which I don't have so much hair to put inside. Oh. It's March, guys, it's March, and this was the Chinese New Year pin that was supposed to come in February or like late January, but what? This is a full peach. I don't know what is it cause I honestly can't remember what I bought. Snip it up. Ah, that explains it. Ching! It's the many colored mask that I bought. We have it in khaki. We have it in brown. We have it in grey. We have it in light grey. And we have it in pink. So these are more of the earth tones, and this is just my fur color. Yes, your styling goes up to your mask. Okay, next. For a moment I was like, did I buy bubble wraps? I bought bubble wraps before, you know, because it's also like another sensory kind of thing. So I tried using bubble wraps to like create a sensory feeling. But what is this? Okay, I ordered this. I know I ordered this to put like my Polaroid photos. But I didn't know I just ordered the film case cover without the container. Oh, okay, okay. The container is transparent. It just looks like that. Show you how I unbox this gracefully. So my multifunction scissors can be used as a penknife as well. Ada saw? Oh, I've been wanting to do things right and pamper myself well, including buying many hair accessories and also this root booster. It's a tonic, so it helps to boost the roots of my hair. Yeah, it's supposed to help to relieve hair loss, but I hope it can help to strengthen hair growth also, since my hair loss is not natural, you know. Alright, so that's all for my looks. I'm very happy with this money things. The next time you see me and doing my shopping haul again, it will probably be in the beautiful country Korea. So see you guys there next time. Oh, miss one more time. Next time.
Pika Pikachu, Pika Pika.